Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Veronica Mwale back here again with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you're a new subscriber, this channel is all about side hustling, career growth, job hunting, and the latter. So if you like what you hear, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. So let's get into today's video, you guys. So today's video, guys, I did not know you could make money off of TikTok. Well, I knew, but I don't know, I never acted on it. So for those of you who don't know, you can now make money on TikTok. So basically what happens is there's if you've been on TikTok for a while, you know when you open the app, I'll leave screenshots here on the side. You know when you open the app, right? So there's this like small gift box thingy. So when you click on that, it's basically they have a referral code system. And at the moment, guys, for you to refer one person, you are able to get 1,200 rand off of that person just from TikTok. And mind you, you can refer up to like 10 people and stuff like that. So I was already on TikTok, and you know, I don't really know people that don't have TikTok. I think everyone around me has TikTok. But for those of you guys who have family members or people like that who don't really have TikTok, I think this would be a good way. Because why am I on TikTok and I'm not making money off of it? Because I watch TikTok for free religiously, okay? So if there's a way that I can make money off of TikTok, you know, I'd rather do it. And also, you guys, let me just say, so it's not that you just refer, like you send them the link, they download the app, and then they put in your code. No, the person should also watch the TikToks for at least 30 minutes each day for 10 days though. Yeah, so for at least 30 minutes for 10 days, and then yeah, you'll be able to earn your money. I think it's an easy way to make money. You just have to be strategic about it. So if you know somebody who doesn't have TikTok, honestly, if I was at home, I'd probably just take, you know, so many people's phones and just like download and watch for them. But because I'm not home, so it's quite difficult. But if you guys don't have TikTok, download TikTok, use my link, okay? I'll leave it down in the description box. Use my link, use my code, because we're all here to make money, guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.